guys, and welcome back to Coding. And today we are going to try out Spreadsheet, which is integrated with Gemini. So let's check it out. So over here we have a few items for a fake birthday party with a scenario, and of course there are some exorbitant things which are useless in the party, such as an atom bomb, a gold cake, a Nintendo Switch. I think we have a Nintendo Switch, a Ferrari, like how many Ferraris? 100 Ferraris, and as well as a few iPads and phones. So now let's see if Gemini can optimize the item. So first thing, we have to, in column B, so in column, what the hell you call it? Column B, we need to, in column B, we need to find the total amount of items we are purchasing. Let's try it out. So while it's waiting, we have 421, and a source is this spreadsheet. So now we're 421. Okay, so then now find the cost of each item multiplied by the quantity. So let's try that, see if it's smart. So we of course have tax over here. Wow, 210. Is it? No, I don't think it's 210. B2 times C2. So this is 210. Okay, I guess I'll do it manually. Total cost of the event. Yeah, let's try the cost of the event. Okay, so sum of the product of B18 to C2 and C18 from the result. Okay, and the total cost is 1E plus 50. I guess it's an error. Maybe we'll have to adjust this. So optimize the items we need for this birthday party. So let's try that out. Okay, so I guess this is all we need. Does it? Do we need the Ferrari? See what items, since it didn't really work, what items can we take out for a birthday party to reduce cost? So yeah, there's some really ridiculous things inside. Okay, so we can remove an atom bomb. Okay, let's take that out. What is that? What else? A Ferrari. Yep, we don't need a Ferrari. A 24 karat gold cake. Yeah, I don't think we need that too. An iPad. Okay, maybe we don't need that too. Let's see, what else? What else we don't need? Computers, Chromebook. Alright, so we don't need it. So now it needs to find the total cost. So find the total cost of this event. Okay, so let's try to find the total cost. 3753. 3753. So grand total would be 3753. Okay, see, is it accurate or is it just adding all of these together? 100, 120. So okay, is it including the quantity? Because we have 100 balloons, 70 of this. So 3,000. Okay, so let's see. So this is the total cost of the birthday party, 3,753. And let me calculate that on my own and tell you whether it is accurate. So now we're done, and just have like one last thing to do, because I left this out because I want to show you this cool thing. So if you do equals, the AI recognizes all the algorithms of the formula, so it'll do B18 times C18, which gives you 360. That's nice, and I think I did something wrong here. So then, yeah, let's do that. So yeah, this is quite smart, and if we do all of this together, what is the total cost of all of this? Try that. So it becomes equal to, D equal to sum of B2 to, not B2, then B2. So then B2 to B2 all the way. Can we do this one? B2 to B18. right? And if we do that, 2,989, so I guess it was wrong. This is the total cost, it's actually less. So then we try this, we can do the sum. So equal to sum. And see, AI algorithm again, it works. So then, yeah, these are the different costs, and of course I put tax here. And let's just say this is 9% tax. So then equals to the sum of D2 to D18. Okay, alright, sum. Then also times, yes, do that. Okay, so in our times formula, we also want to say times E19. So then that gives us E19 times, so that's 9% tax. So times E19 times 100 how do we say that? Times, so I think it's plus sum of D2 to D18, so with a colon, that is D18, okay, times E19. Will that give us the answer? 3258. Okay, nice, 3258, that's the answer we have, and let's see if it's accurate now. Let's close that. Yeah, it's pretty accurate, I think, because it's 9% tax. So yeah, 3258, the formula looks good here. So this is sum of D2 to D18, and yeah, that's how you can integrate Gemini with it, and you can show most of the strengths, maybe the average cost of each item. Let's try that. The average of D18 to C19, the average is $534. Okay, I think it's accurate, is it? I don't know if it's that accurate, but I think I trust it enough, so yeah, I think it's accurate enough. And maybe the cost of all, if we don't know 13 items, what? Oh yeah, the cost of all those items, because that's 3, and the total number of items, yeah, we already have that, because that is 421. So then that can be the sum of, I always forget to put equal, sum of, yeah, 279, so that's how you integrate it. And I think it's quite useful, because another thing, let's say someone tells you this file, and say summarize this file. Let's try that, summarize it. And then I think it gives quite a good summary of this file. So it summarizes sales data. No, I don't think it's sales data. So sales data for product. I wouldn't say that. It shows the 3 units, it shows that 150 grand total. Nah, I think it's missing the logic here. Yeah, it definitely is missing the logic here, but I think it's quite good here anyways, that it can help me with all this planning to other items that I don't actually need, like the atom bomb and stuff. So yeah, I think that's actually quite good, this integration. There's also Google Docs integration, I think. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye guys! Okay, so now we're done, and just have like one last thing to do, because I left this out because I want to show you this cool thing. So if you do equals, the AI recognizes all the algorithms of the formula, so it'll do D18 times D18, which gives you 360. That's nice, and I think I did something wrong here. So yeah, let's do that. So yeah, this is quite smart, and if we do all of this together, what is the total cost of all of this? Try that to become equal to, D equal to sum, is the sum of D2 to, D2 then equal to D2. So then D2 to D2 all the way. Can we do this one? D2 to D18, right? And if we do that, 2,989. So I guess it was wrong. This is the total cost, it's actually less. So then we try this, we can do the sum. So equal to sum. And see, AI algorithm again, it works. So then, yeah, these are the different costs, and of course I put tax here. And let's just say this is 9% tax. So then equals to the sum of D2 to D18. Okay, alright, sum. Then also times, yes, do that. Okay, so in our times formula, we also want to say times E19. So then that gives us E19 times, so that's 9% tax. So times E19 times 119, how do we say that? Times, so I think it's plus sum of D2 to D18, so with a colon, that is D18, okay, times E19. Will that give us the answer? 3258. Okay, nice, 3258, that's the answer we have, and let's see if it's accurate now. Let's close that. Yeah, it's pretty accurate, I think, because it's 9% tax. So yeah, 3258, the formula looks good here.